Rightio. Yeah, I shouldn't do that, no. Hey guys and girls, it's Dave from Destination Off-Road again for another unboxing. Now, we haven't been out camping for a while, so I thought get rid of all these unboxings and reviews, and then when we get out we can just pure film for enjoyment anyway. But I will be backing up this with more reviews and things like that about them. Now, as you can see, I have a lot of Olight gear, and this is not all of it, no. So we have knives, which will be opening the box, but my late wife Anita, she loved Olight so much that she used to go on there and buy heaps of stuff. So this was given to us to review and to compare to other brands and other products, but we already have a lantern mini, which is what we bought, and it's metal. Then we have the halo light, which I just call it the umbrella light or the UFO. You would have seen this in some of the videos. This is amazing. And also she bought, this is her Anita's old one. So this is the Batten 2 or 3. I think it's Batten 3. Batten 3 wireless. So charger and torch. I've got another one, but I'm going to give it to Ryan. And yeah, even this one's unreal. So I use this on the barbecue all the time. So, but what am I unboxing? Well, I'm unboxing the Olight Olantern Pro 2. Now, we've been eyeing this thing off for a very long time. We begged Olight to send it out to us so we can review it. They'll send out their little ones and the knives and things like that, but they wouldn't send one of these out. So eventually they did send one of these out, and I'm loving it because there's never enough lanterns. And as you can see, I'll turn it from there. As you can see, it is an old school lantern, but with the current technology that we have now with all the LEDs. Now, what gives this the ability to be desired more than just normal, or going to Kmart or going to something. This has a 300 max lums. So you've got two different tones. You've got the orange light, which is good for bugs, and then we've also got the white, so the warm white light, which can be in different illuminations. But yeah, so this thing comes out, it has a max illumination lums of 300, and it has a max battery run time of 180 hours, which is what, 7.5 days? So let's just unbox it and see what you get in it. I haven't actually opened it. I haven't had a chance to open it. So let's use one of my not so smart purchases, but this thing's awesome. So this is everything. So very sharp. If you're going to you can use this for carving up meat. You can use this for anything, whittling. You've got the chopping. You can cut tin with it and things like that. So yeah, I love this knife. The other knives, Ryan's behind the camera, and he stole my other knife, the Robato 3, but I ended up buying a Robato 2 anyway, so I like the sheep's hoof blade. So as you can see, nice little bag. Now they always come in like these little fancy boxes. It reminds me of Apple, but yeah, so let's open her up and see what we got. Now, if you haven't seen any of the other Olight reviews, there is a reviews in playlist in my on my channel. So you can go there and have a look at it and yeah, check out them. Now, I know Olight is flooded on social media, and then when you go there, you do have high prices. The difference between these lights and the cheaper ones is there's a lot of plastic that goes into those torches and lanterns and things like that. Majority of these torches are built to be run over, thrown up in the air, anything. These can be in the rain. It's an IPX5, so it can handle being rained on. So here we go. I told you, it's like an Apple or an iPhone thing. So this has your instructions manual, and I can never open it because my fingers don't like working. It would be good if I actually open up the right section. So your user's manual, which nobody really uses anyway. Hey?
Nobody cares about manuals?
No, nobody cares about manuals. So typical This has a USB-C to USB-C charger. I don't have a USB-C plug, so that's usually on laptops and things like that, but I have 2 of these now. Rightio. Ooh, that's metal. Let's pull this thing out. Wow. Ooh, I like that. Oh, this is unreal. Oh my, there you can hear it. It's metal. Metal for you. Ooh, you can hear it. Let's split. God, look at that. That is cool. And I always got these little safety things on there. So read me. I don't know how to read, Ryan. Can you read it for me? No. What is that? So it says, please open the USB dust plug where indicated by the open arrow when you need to use the USB-C or the USB-A ports that are shielded. So that is, what they're saying is this bit here. So I should be able to just pull it up and my fingers don't work. So I could use my knife, but I kind of don't want to. There we go. So as you can see, almost if Ryan zooms in, but that's all good. USB-C and USB-A are in there, so I'm pretty sure you could charge from both of them. It also has that little magnetic bottom, which is like these torches. So as you can see, they have the same sort of charger, so you can charge this off the original charger. A lot of these chargers they do give you, the dock chargers, they actually do match up with some of the others, not like these two. But the best thing about these lanterns is the fact that they're steel and they are waterproof. I wouldn't say they're 100% waterproof, don't dunk them in water. That's an IPX7, I think it is. That can sustain like 3 feet underwater for about 30 minutes. I think that's what the rating is classed as for an IP7, but IP5 is pretty much just splashes and things like that. So you've got these little, you've got a little mini, is that screws off? Yeah, that screws off. So you've got your little handle to hang it from your, what is it, tent hooks? Yeah, the tent hooks and things like that. And under the car, or you've got your handle to carry it like that. A lot of the times, a lot of torches asks you to take the little rubbers out, these things not. But as you can see, it's a nice, cool, that's plastic. Yep, that's steel, steel, steel. Yep, steel. And you get the rubber feet down the bottom, so it doesn't move unless you want it to move. And it's the same sort of green as the umbrella. Now with the umbrella, or the UFO, same thing. You have yellow lights, orange lights, and then the more you change, the brighter it goes. Okay, now we'll get that one out of the way. This one, same thing. So lithium batteries always have to be transported with some charge in it, but they always say to actually to charge it fully before use. So I'm only doing this for this video, and then I will be putting it on charge and waiting till it goes full blast. But nice little rotary dial, and as you can see, for your summer camping around, it actually chucks out a fair bit of light. I'll go to the full setting of the orange. Come on, where are you? All right, so that's the white. Let's get it, there we go. So that's the full of the orange, and I reckon if you could take that off, I reckon it's like a tripod one, so you could probably have it upside down.
That'd be cool.
That would be cool. But as you can see, nice orange light that it throws. Perfect for when you want to go to the toilet, so you can just carry it around in the bush, or just for like around camp, or setting a mood in your camp setup. So like this one, we use the same thing. So bright lights, bright orange, and then the more you turn it, this one will vibrate and it will actually go to white, and then that'll go full blast. They are bright, they are super bright. These ones have little clips, but I'm not reviewing this one. So this one has the attachment to hang it, has a handle to carry it. Now, as I said, I've got it, and it's all steel. So I've got it on the orange. As soon as you go to the white, okay, it will transition. Sometimes you can actually have the orange and the white at the same time. and then you go up to your 300. So that's your 300 looms. That will run for 300 looms. It'll run for 20 minutes, like full blast at 300 looms. But if you've got it on a nice setting like this, so use nice white setting, you're expecting to get 35 hours out of a charge from the white. Now the white comes in these ribbons, and you can go a little bit brighter. Whoa, that is bright. Don't blind yourself.
Pro tip, don't look directly into the white light.
Yeah, don't look into the light, especially when you, like this one. This is even an Olight. So.
And it's a pen.
And it's a pen. So I'll just turn it on, or is that the laser?
I don't know.
I don't know either. I haven't actually used this for a long time, or it might need charging because this actually gets charged too. So, yeah, no, it's not working.
Probably throw it on charge later.
Yeah, I will. And the same thing, it's steel. These are cool. Pens, and then a little torch on your clip, and you've also got a laser beam for a laser pointer. So, but my thoughts on this already. I love it. Absolutely love it. We are going camping this weekend, so we'll be taking this out and we'll be testing it. I will try and get footage of it. I guarantee I'll be getting photos of it. But yeah, so I'm hoping to get plenty more light coming out of this one. As I said, we have 2 lanterns already, but this one will be the main lantern that we can carry around as well, because it has a better base than, say, the mini, because as you can see, like in the mini, you've got a tripod mount, which is good. You put that on a tripod and it works brilliantly. But yeah, so I've got a combination of lights that I can use, especially even this one here. This is more of a work light. But yeah, so I will be testing this. Now, Olight has sales every 5 seconds. If you've ever shopped on an Olight and you put your email address in, you would know, because they throw out sales every 5 seconds. If not, then you can get a discount code by doing Destination 10 for any sort of lights. A friend of ours seen our lights and then they went out straight away and bought them. But this, yeah, customer service as well, I've got to say about the Olight brand is amazing. I've never had an issue, especially when I broke this. So, but I said it still works. It's just broke the clip. But yeah, quality-wise, yes, they are a little bit more expensive, but they are built to last. And as I said, you can get a discount with the Destination 10. You can go to our website and you'll see some of the other products that we have. And I've put up there that I own. I've taken photos of them and things like that. You click on them, that gets you to the website with the discount codes and all this stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as an unboxing and a first initial thoughts of the thing, of this lantern. The Olight Olantern Pro 2, because it's just professionally done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a comment in the description. You will find in the description all the discount codes for any of the affiliate marketing. Olight is an affiliate market partner, so if you do use our code, we do get a tiny little cashback for it, which helps run the websites and the pages and YouTube and everything like that, because it's not a cheap hobby to have with all these camera gears and camping and things like that. So no, especially my 2 new employees, which are my 2 eldest children. I've just spent way too much money on them to set them up. But yeah, it's worth it. Hope you guys watched it. I hope you hit the like button, subscribe button, leave a comment, notification bell, because we will be recording more. So it might be either weekly or it might be every 3 days or something like that. But stay tuned, because if you go on our socials, you'll see when we're going to be doing stuff and when we're going to be going. So if you liked it, subscribe, throw a comment and hit the like. And remember, make your own destination. Cheers. Bye. So one thing I forgot to say about this when I was requesting that don't it's Ryan in the background. When I was talking about how this has a runtime of up to 180 hours. Now they do say you can use this to charge other devices as a battery bank, The actual battery size in this is 11,200 milliamps. So it's pretty much like a battery bank, and with its lights and things like that, if you're not using it during the day, you can either charge it or you can charge some of the other things. So I'll just add that into this video because I just thought about it when we finished. So we'll get back to the rest of the video.